Karthikeyan. So your name is Karthikeyan, huh? Who's Karthikeyan?
No, sir. I actually the other guy asked. Sir. I just messaged us.
Okay, okay. So it is a little bit difficult to
Aniruddhan asked.
see the message. So it is better to tell directly. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Sir.
So okay, just I will again repeat the problem. If the center of curvature of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 at one end of the minor axis lies at the other end, prove that the eccentricity of the ellipse is 1 by root 2. Okay. So in the question, what is given the question, the center of curvature of ellipse at the point capital B lies at B dash. So that is given the question. And also we know that from the definition of center of curvature, the length BB dash is nothing but rho. The length BB dash is rho, but that is equal to 2B. Okay. So now I am going to find y dash and y double dash from the equation x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So if you differentiate this equation with respect to x, you will get 2x divided by a square plus 2y divided by b square into y dash is equal to 0. So if you divide throughout by 2, we have x square by a square plus y into y dash by b square equal to 0. From this we can find the first derivative y dash. So y dash divided by b square equal to minus x by a square. From this y dash is equal to minus b square divided by a square into x divided by y. So I call this is equation number 2. So now I am going to find y dash at the point capital B. Capital B is what? 0 comma b. So x is 0 and y is b. When x is 0, so everything is 0. So y dash at the given point is 0. So next we need to find y double dash. So the constant term is what? Minus b square by a square and u by v method. So x by y. So if you differentiate x by y, so you keep y should square the denominator, and you should keep the denominator in the as it is y. If you differentiate x, so you'll get 1 minus x into, if you differentiate y dash. So now y double dash at the point 0 comma b. So x 0, y b. So this is constant. So y is b, okay, x is 0, and again y is b square. So b square gets cancelled. So minus b by a square. So y double dash at the given point is minus b by a square. Now we need to find the rho. So rho at the point 0 comma b equal to 1 plus y dash square. Y dash is what? 0. Y dash square 0 whole power 3 by 2 divided by y double dash. Y double dash is minus b by a square. So I need a modulus of rho. Rho is always positive. So and hence the modulus of rho equal to a square by b. But we already know that rho is 2b. Okay, we already know that rho is equal to 2b. Now I am going to equate 2b is equal to a square by b. So 2b equal to a square by b. So from this a square equal to 2b square. The eccentricity of the ellipse, eccentricity E of the ellipse is given by b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. From this b square equal to, just multiply a square minus a square e square. Now just simplification, or you can rewrite like this: a square e square is equal to a square minus b square. From this e square equal to a square minus b square by a square. But we know that a square equal to 2b square. So replace a square by 2b square. So e square equal to 2b square minus b square divided by, again, a square equal to 2b square. The numerator is b square, the denominator is 2b square. So b square gets cancelled. So e square equal to 1 by 2 and e equal to 1 by root 2. So this is the uh, answer for this problem. Okay. So can I go to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So here find the center of this is the last problem, the center of curvature. Next section I will go to evolute. So find the center of curvature at theta equal to pi by 2 on the curve x is equal to 2 cos t plus cos 2t and y equal to 2 sin t plus sin 2t. So even you can try this problem. Just I will give the outline of this problem because this is again a computation only. Dx by dt equal to, so you should differentiate this one. If you differentiate this, you'll get what? Minus 2 sin t. If you differentiate cos 2t, uh, you'll get minus sin 2t into 2. Similarly, dy by dt. dy by dt is 2 cos t plus 2 cos 2t. So next I need dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So from this take 2 commonly. So you'll get this expression. So 2 into cos t plus cos 2t. From this I will take minus 2 commonly. So sin t plus sin 2t. For the numerator, I am going to apply cos c minus cos d formula. So cos c plus cos d is 2 cos of c plus d by 2 cos of c minus d by 2. Similarly, for the denominator, sin c plus sin d. So that is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. So the numerator you can write 2 cos of c plus d is what? T plus 2t is 3t by 2 and cos of t minus 2t. So cos of minus t is again cos t. So cos t by 2 divided by sin c plus sin d. So 2 sin of c plus d. T plus 2t is 3t divided by 2 and cos of c minus d. So t minus 2t is cos of minus t by 2. So again cos t by 2. So I think cos t by 2 gets cancelled. Remaining you have 2 gets cancelled. Remaining you have minus cos 3t by 2 divided by sin 3t by 2. From this you will get minus cot 3t by 2 dy by dx. So next you need to find second derivative. Second derivative d square y by dx square equal to d by dx of dy by dx. And you can rewrite this is d by dt of dy by dx is minus cot 3t by 2 into dt by dx. So if you differentiate cot 3t by 2, you'll get minus cosecant square 3t by 2 into 3 by 2. And dt by dx is just a reciprocal of dx by dt. So if the reciprocal of dx by dt is what? 1 by, please check it, minus 2 into sin t plus sin 2t. And minus minus minus, there are 3 minus, so minus, so 3 by 2 into 2 4 into cosecant square 3t by 2. And here again sin c plus sin d formula. Sin c plus sin d is 2 sin of c plus d by 2. So t plus 2t 3t by 2 and cos of c minus d by 2. So c minus d is minus t by 2, cos of minus x is cos x. So next step, minus 3 by 4 into 2, 8. And I am writing everything in terms of sine and cos. So you can write this is 1 by sine square 3t by 2. Here already you have sine 3t by 2. So sine cube 3t by 2 into cos t by 2. Okay. So we got first derivative and the second derivative. First derivative is what? First derivative is minus cot 3t by 2. So now I'm going to find the y dash at a t equal to pi by 2. So y dash is minus cot 3t by 2, minus cot 3t by 2. So t equal to pi by 2 means minus cot 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, which is equal to minus cot 3 pi by 4. You can write pi minus pi by 4. 4 pi minus pi is 3 pi by 4. And this is in the second quadrant. Pi minus means second quadrant. In the second quadrant, the value of cot is here we have minus cot. Okay. It will not change. Okay. So minus cot pi by 4. Okay. And minus into minus plus. So cot pi by 4. Cot pi by 4 is the reciprocal of tan pi by 4. So tan pi by 4, you know that 1. So cot pi by 4 is also 1. So y dash at the given point is 1. So next we need to find y double dash. This is y double dash. We need to calculate at a t equal to pi by 2. So minus 3 by 8, 1 by sine cube 3 pi by 4 into cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4, we know that 1 by root 2. The only thing we need to find sine cube 3 pi by 4. So again, sine 3 pi by 4, you can write it is a sine of pi minus pi by 4. That is 4 pi minus pi, again 3 pi by 4. So again, this is in the second quadrant, sine pi minus. The second quadrant sine is positive. So sine is positive and it will return as it is. So sine pi by 4, sine of pi minus pi by 4 is sine pi by 4. Sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So, and hence sine cube 3 pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 whole cube, and cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So if you simplify, you'll get minus 3 by 4, 3 by 8. 1 by root 2 whole cube is 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. So this is 1 by 4, 1 by 1 by 4. The final answer is minus 3 by 2. So y double dash at the given point is minus 3 by 2. Similarly, you need to find the given point x at t equal to pi by 2 and y at t equal to pi by 2. So x is what? 2 cos t plus cos 2t. You can check it. So 2 cos t plus cos 2t and y equal to 2 sin t plus sin 2t. Substitute t equal to pi by 2. So x at the given point is minus 1, y at the given point is 2. Now we need to find x bar and y bar. So I think you can just read. If you have any difficulties, you can ask me, because it's just it's a computation hereafter. The whole problem is a computation, but somewhere else we are using the formula. So that's why I want to explain that one. And if you have any doubts in this problem, even you can ask me now. Otherwise, you can ask me later. Okay. So next section, I'm going to start evolute. Okay. So before going to the proper definition, suppose this is the given curve. This is the given curve. This is the point P naught. C naught is the center of curvature of P naught. C naught is the center of curvature for the point P naught. Similarly, C1 is the center of curvature, okay, for the point P1, and so on. Similarly, for the point P2, C2 is the center of curvature. Okay, C2 is the center of curvature. Okay, now if you trace this curve like this, you'll also have a point C0, C1, C2 like this. Now if you connect these center of curvature, you will get another curve. Okay, so this curve is called evolute of this given curve. So this is the oral definition. Okay, but here the definition is given, and the locus of the center of curvature for a curve is called the evolute of the curve, and the given curve is called the involute. the given curve itself is called a involute. I think day before yesterday I sent a link. I think some of you also replied that I sent the uh, evolute of the ellipse. Okay, evolute of the ellipse. So in the animation you can see. Suppose if you trace the ellipse, okay, the points will change here like this. Okay, it is okay. If you trace the points here, it is also changing the points here. So this is the center of curvature actually for the corresponding the points on the ellipse. Similarly, you have so looks like the asteroid. Looks like the asteroid. Okay, so this is one of the example. That's why I send the link to you. Similarly, for tractors also I send the link to you, but I can't find the remaining curves. For example, parabola, okay, and hyperbola and rectangular hyperbola, cycloid. I got the cycloid, but I can't find the evolute of the cycloid. So please check the net, because you should at least you should know something visually. Okay, you know how to solve the problem. Okay, but if you know visually how the curves looks like, then uh, that is a little bit maybe useful for you later. Okay, so this is the introduction to evolute. Now I am going to solve the problem. So first problem is find the evolute of the parabola y square equal to 4ax. So before this, so just I will give the steps to be followed here. Okay, first step, you should write the parametric form of the given curve. So that is the first step. Second step, you should find dx by dt or dx by d theta, whatever it may be, and then dy by dt. And then third step, you should find first derivative, that is dy by dx. And the fourth step, you should find the second derivative, d square y by dx square. And then fifth step, you should find x bar. Okay, and sixth step, you should find y bar, that is center of curvature. So up to this, everything is same. Now to 6 steps, you know how to do it. Only the seventh step is new for you. Okay, so that's why I gave so many problems in center of curvature, because that is a basic. That is a basic you should know. So now you should eliminate t or theta, whatever it may be the parameter. Eliminate the parameter. Eliminate the parameter t from x bar and y bar. X bar and y bar. X bar and y bar by using the known identities. Known identities. Okay, so you should eliminate t. Okay, the parameter t. So this is the procedure. So if you know this procedure, you can solve any problem in evolute. Okay, first problem, find the evolute of the parabola. Find the evolute of the parabola Y square equal to 4ax. Okay, usually in the classroom, I will ask somebody, okay, just I will ask some questions. I think I'm going to split the whole problem into how many steps? How many steps? 7 steps. So for the first step and second step, somebody will answer. Up to third step also, because up to dy by dx, you can do it. Okay, who is ready? For the what is the first step? Otherwise, I will. Ramakrishna left the meeting. Why, pa? So due to, can you hear my voice now or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, at least anybody respond, please. Otherwise, I am speaking the whole 1 hour means it is a little bit boring for you. So that's why I'm asking you should respond something. So what is the parametric form of anyone?
Is equal to 80 square.
X is equal to 80 square and y equal to 280. Yeah. So, this is the parametric equation. Parametric, you should write here. Parametric equations are x is equal to 80 square and y equal to 280. Okay, what is the dx by dt? But this is a simple question only. But if you contribute here, okay, then it is a little bit of interaction you have. Okay, that's why I'm asking. Dx by dt is what?
280.
280 dy by dt is equal to 2a. Okay. What is dy by dx?
1 by t.
1 by t. Okay. So 2a by 280, 1 by t. Okay. So okay, I think up to this, so remaining part, next student, d square, at least for second derivative, somebody will come and tell how to write. Step by step, don't tell that the last step. Okay, usually how we will calculate, because you know how to do up to x bar and y bar. You know the procedure, everything. So first step, you should d square y by dx square equal to how to write.
d of dy by dx with respect
d
to
by
dx.
d by dx of dy by dx, the correct okay, I think we will write like this. Okay, so next step, d by dx or d by, this is actually a function of t, d by dt. Okay, of dy by dt is what?
1 by t
1
into
by
dt
t
by dx.
into dt by dx. Okay, so now d by dt of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. Okay, what is dt by dx? Reciprocal of dx by dt, that is into 1 by 280. 280. So this implies second derivative d square y by dx square equal to minus 1 by 2a t cube. Okay, up to this second part is over. So next one, who is ready to explain how to calculate x bar? First tell what is x bar formula.
X minus
X minus
y dash by y double dash.
y dash by, okay, y dash into 1 plus y dash
Y
square sorry.
y dash square
Y dash square divided by y double dash.
y dash.
Okay.
That
Now
is 80 square
t square
minus 1 by t
1 by t
into 1 plus 1 by t square
okay.
whole divided by
Whole not whole divided by only
not
for this.
whole, yeah,
Okay.
minus 1 by 280 cube.
Okay. So okay. And then remaining part we need to simplification. Okay. Okay. If you know, you can tell. Otherwise, I will do it. You will tell, or otherwise I will do it. You will tell your.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
80 square
Okay.
plus
Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. So 1 by t. First you should write 1 by t, and then the reciprocal of 1 by 280 cube is 280 cube. Okay, because we need to write at least this step. Okay, into 1 plus 1 by t square. Okay, now I think now you wrote. Usually the students will write don't write this step because they know that this is 280 square. But from my point of view, I need to write this step. Maybe some other students don't know. That's why I will write this step. Okay, now you will tell 80 square plus
280 square
280 square
minus 380 square plus 28.
280 square is okay.
No. 80 square plus 280 square plus 28. Yeah.
Okay, now 80 square multiply
Plus 280
280
square.
square plus t square
Plus
gets cancelled 2.
Yeah, so 2.
So now what is
So
x bar?
finally we'll get 380 square plus 2.
So x bar equal to 3a t square 3a t square plus 2a. Okay.
Plus 2.
Okay, thank you. What is your name?
Kirtana, sir.
Kirtana. Okay. So I think you are explaining slowly. Okay, I am expecting the same thing from the remaining students. So don't be rush because you may feel little bit. Sometimes you may feel because this is new for you, maybe. So even it may be wrong, I don't tell anything. So I will correct you. Okay. So be cool and. You know what you can tell whatever you know. I will correct you. Okay. So next y bar. So who is willing to tell the steps for y bar? First step formula.
Y plus.
Pragadisha. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Y plus
1 plus y dash square.
1 plus y dash square divided by
Y double dash.
y double dash. Okay. So this is equal to y. What is y? 280.
1 plus
1 plus
1 by t square
1 by t square
divided by minus
because
1
y
by
dash is 1 by t, so 1 by t square. Okay, y double dash is minus 1 by
280 cubes.
Okay. So now if you simplify this, first step you should write 280. So plus minus minus
minus 280 cube
280 cube into
t square plus 1
1.
divided by t square.
You can take LCM also. Okay, you can take LCM. Okay, t square plus 1 by t square.
T square.
Okay, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2a t. So t square. So remaining you have
minus
2a
2a t into t
t
plus 1.
at irudon. Next step okay, minus
Yes,
2a
sir.
t into t square plus 1. Okay,
2a t
2a t.
minus
And
2a t cube
okay,
minus 2a t.
okay. So you can cancel these two. So y bar equal
Yes, sir.
to
Minus 2a t cube, sir.
minus 2a t cube. Okay, very good. So next step, I am going to write x bar and y bar in the next slide. So x bar equal to 3a t square plus 2a and y bar equal to minus 2a t cube. So up to this, we know how to proceed. Okay. So we got the center of curvature. The next step, the last step is we need to eliminate the parameter t. So anybody should tell the idea only. Remaining part I will do it. So the calculation part I will simplify and I will do it. So if you know how to do it, you can explain slowly how to do
So
it. Yeah,
from the first one, we can
Dikshita.
write t squared equals to
Uh,
x bar minus 2a divided by 3a, sir. And
okay,
from the second one, we can write t cube is equals to y bar by minus 2a.
okay,
And then squaring the t cube term, that is on both sides, we have to square it. And
okay,
uh, to the power 3 on the t squared terms, and then
okay.
equating those two.
Yes, correct. So your idea is correct. Okay, thank you. And so I will do the same thing I'm going to do now. So from this equation, I'm going to find t square. So t square equal to x bar minus 2a divided by 3a from this. So from this, I'm going to write t cube is minus y bar divided by 2a. So here I have t square, here I have t cube. So I'm going to take cube on both sides here. Then here I'll get t power 6. I'm taking square on both sides. Then I'll get t power 6 here. So from taking cube on both sides, so t power 6 is equal to x bar minus 2a divided by 3a whole cube. So here t power 6 squaring on both sides, y bar by 2a and whole power square. So the left hand side is the same, then you can equate the right hand side. So from this we have x bar minus 2a divided by you can write whole cube. This is 27 a cube. So minus y bar square is y bar square divided by 4 a square. So you can cancel here a square, here a cube. So then a power 1. So 4a square into x bar minus 2a whole cube equal to 27 a into y bar square. So this is but we need to find the locus of x bar and y bar. So locus of x bar comma y bar is 4 into x minus 2a whole cube is equal to 27 a y square which is the evolute of the parabola. Which is the evolute of the parabola y square equal to 4ax. Okay. So next problem is a practice problem for you, or note down. Practice problem. Find the evolute of the parabola x square equal to 4ay, x square equal to 4ay. So already I gave this problem to find the center of curvature. Okay, so suppose if you solve that problem, only thing you need to eliminate the parameter t. Okay, so what is the parametric form of x square equal to 4ay? Anybody? X is equal to 280 and y equal to 80 square. So the final answer also you need to change instead of x, y. Okay, so please check it. So 4 into y minus 2a whole cube equal to 27a x square. So this is the final answer. Okay. Now the next problem is find the evolute of the ellipse. Find the evolute of the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Okay, solution. Okay, now, so what is the parametric form of the ellipse? X is equal to a cos theta and y equal to b sin theta. Okay, it's a parametric equations. X is equal to a cos theta and y equal to b sin theta. Okay, now we need to differentiate. So dx by d theta. So what is dx by d theta? Minus a sin theta and dy by d theta equal to b cos theta and dy by dx equal to minus b by a cos theta by sin theta. Okay, it is cot theta. It is cot theta. So dy by dx is equal to minus b by a cot theta. Next, you need to find the second derivative, d square y by dx square. So d by dx of dy by dx. So in the next step, so that is equal to d by d theta, d by d theta of dy by dx is minus b by a cot theta into d theta by dx. So if you differentiate the minus b by a, I will take it out, constant. If you differentiate the cot theta, you will get minus cosecant square theta. And the reciprocal of d theta by dx, d theta by dx is the reciprocal of dx by d theta, that is 1 by minus a sine theta. So please check. Okay, so you have 3 minus, so again we have minus b by a square minus b by a square. Now I am going to write everything in terms of sine. So 1 by sine cube theta. So this is second derivative, d square by dx square. Okay, so next x bar. So who is ready to explain x bar?
Sir?
Yashashwini. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, please
X
tell.
bar,
X
X
bar equal
minus-
to. Yeah, your voice is not audible and also it's not clear from your side.
Is it clear now?
Now clear. Okay. Yeah.
X bar is equal to x minus y dash
X minus y dash
into 1 plus y dash square
1 plus y dash square.
by y double dash.
Yeah. Okay. Y double dash. Okay. And then what is x?
A cos theta
A cos theta
into
minus
minus b by a cot theta into
minus b by a cot theta. Okay.
into a square by b square cosec square theta.
One more minute. First, I will write 1 plus y dash square. Okay. And then I will write next step.
Yes.
Okay. 1 plus y dash square is b square by a square into cot square theta whole divided by, not whole divided by, only for this part. Okay. That is equal to y double dash. Y double dash is minus b by a, b by a square into 1 by sine cube theta. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next step. So that is equal to a cos cube theta, a cos theta. Okay, and then what's the next step? Okay, so usually I will do it. First, I will simplify this part. Okay, and then I'm going to either I'll take LCM or you can directly multiply. So that is my usually I will do it, because before simplifying this, I don't multiply by here. Okay, so it is better to first simplify this part, and then if you want to take LCM, okay, you can take LCM. Otherwise, you can directly multiply. So how you done it? Directly?
Same as
Same, okay. So same, okay. Then minus, minus, minus. So minus, okay, minus. Please tell.
actually I took cosec sine theta cosec square theta like that.
Okay. Okay. Otherwise, I will write. Please check it. Okay. Uh, because I'm writing step by step. Maybe you wrote your simplification is a little bit the shorter form. So okay. Please check your answer. I'm doing little bit by step method. Okay. Because every student should understand the procedure. That's why. Okay. Please check it. So minus, 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 minus. So minus b by a. You can write cot theta by cos theta by sin theta. Okay, minus b by a. Minus b by a. You can write cot theta is cos theta cos theta divided by sin theta, and then this sin cube theta is going to the numerator, so into sin cube theta, so into 1 plus a square by, so you can take LCM, okay. So if you take LCM, a square plus b square by b square cos square theta divided by a square. So a square, okay, sorry. So here how cot square theta. Cot square theta means you should write in terms of cos square theta divided by sin square theta. So one plus b square by a square into cos square theta divided by sin square theta, and this is equal to a cos theta minus b by a. If you simplify this, you'll get sin square theta into cos theta into 1 plus, or you can take LCM, a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta divided by a square sin square theta. So sin square theta gets cancelled. So you'll get a cos theta minus, multiply now. If you multiply, so if you multiply now, you'll get a minus b by a cos theta into cos square theta into sin square theta. Okay, so you'll get a gets cancelled, a square gets cancelled. So minus b by a sin square theta into cos theta. And if you multiply these two, you have minus b by a, so minus b cube into cos cube theta divided by a cube. Is it correct? So a cos theta minus here have b square, okay. I don't know where I did the mistake. Okay. So this is equal to a cos theta minus b by a, okay, b by a cos theta by previous step. Okay, I'll check it here.
So it is just minus a sine squared cos theta, sir.
Okay, so actually here minus minus minus, so minus, so BB gets cancelled, so minus a sine cube theta. Okay, I think here I done the mistake. So please check it here. It is minus a sine cube theta into cos theta by sine theta. So you can check it. So BB gets cancelled. So a square by a is what? A. The numerator we have a, and in the numerator we have sine cube theta into cos theta by sine theta. Cos theta by sine theta. I am writing here. So into 1 plus b square by a square. Cot square theta is cos square theta divided by sine square theta. So please check it. Now this is equal to a cos theta minus, you can cancel this. So a sine square theta into cos theta. So into 1 plus b square by a square into cos square theta divided by sine square theta. So now throughout multiply by this. So you'll get a cos theta minus a sine square theta into cos theta. If you multiply these two, you'll get sine square theta gets cancelled. 1a gets cancelled. So minus b square by a into sine theta into cos cube theta. Oh, sorry, sine square theta gets cancelled. Only you have cos cube theta. Cos cube theta. So from this, I'm taking commonly a cos theta. So remaining is 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. So minus b square by a into cos cube theta. So this is equal to cos square theta. So a cos theta into cos theta is a cos cube theta minus b square by a into cos cube theta. So take a is LCM. So you'll get a square cos cube theta. And also you can take a cube also common. Okay. Okay. A square cos cube theta. So a square minus b square by a into cos cube theta. So first step you should take a is LCM and then you should take cos cube theta commonly. So this is your x bar. What is time now? I think 9:45 exactly. Okay, now I'll stop here. So remaining thing you need to find what? Need to find y bar. Okay, the next class we will find y bar and then we need to eliminate the parameter theta from x bar and y bar. Okay. So okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. நீங்கள் போட்டுங்க மேடம். தேர்ட் ஒரு கிளாஸா இன்னைக்கு? சரி, தேர்ட் அங்கே வைங்க கிளாஸு, ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை.